Hello everyone, welcome back again in this channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube banner on Canva. So if you have a YouTube channel and you want to create the banner, just use Canva and I'm going to show you how. So I've already opened my Canva on my computer, and then what you need to do first is you can search on the YouTube banner templates that is provided by Canva by click on the search column here and then search on YouTube banner like this, and then wait for the results to show up. Okay, so here you can choose any YouTube banner template on the Canva. For example, I want to choose this one, and then you have to make sure the size is right. And when if you don't know, you can just search on Google the size of the YouTube banner that is required, and then you can just adjust this into the size and then into your on YouTube channel. For example, you can add some maybe your YouTube channel is about tutorial, you can search on the tutorial elements related to tutorial. You can just probably I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to add this element and then subscribe tutorial millennial. Like so, and then when you're done, just I'm going to delete this also, and I'm going to add some icon related to video and etc. Like so. You can also change the color like this, and when you're done, just click on share and then download, and then you can upload it on your YouTube channel. Okay, so that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.